Hello dear students. So in our last class we discussed about quadratic formula. So today we are going to discuss about nature of roots. So what we learned the last class, for any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, how to find the roots by quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula we learned in our last class. So from this, how to find roots, that also you may know now, I think. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about nature of roots. See, this is our equation for finding the roots. Now, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we learned that when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that equation has two roots, right? We done all the problems like that. Whenever we are doing that problems, we got two value for x. That means all the problems we done like b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we learn b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, what are the roots? X equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. These two roots will have when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Similarly, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 when b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is the result? Minus b plus or minus b square minus b c is equal to 0. So 0 divided by 2a, that is minus b by 2a minus b by 2a are the two roots getting when b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we get two equal roots. Okay. Now see, b square minus 4ac less than 0. When b square minus 4ac less than 0, we done a problem also. When b square, that means when we are getting a negative value here, that time that equation has no real roots. Right. So these are the three conditions. First condition, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will have two distinct real roots for the equation. When b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we get two equal roots for the equation. When b square minus 4ac less than 0, it has no real roots. These are the three conditions. From this b square minus 4ac condition, we can determine whether the equation has a real root or not. Okay, so it is easy. When we are getting an equation, just check b square minus 4ac. If the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0, we can determine the nature of the roots. So this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant. Clear? This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Nothing. It is very simple. When you are getting an equation, the question may be asked like find the nature of the roots. So when you will get one quadratic equation, From that, you just find out the b square minus 4ac. Then check it out whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. Then you can find out the nature of the roots. Okay, we will do some examples, then it is very clear for you. Okay, so we will do one problem. Our question is find the discriminant of 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 and find the nature of its roots. So from here, what is a equal to 2, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 3. That means this is the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So from a it is 2, b it is minus 4 and c equal to 3. Now b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? Minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c. That is, it is my 16. 4 square is 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 means it is less than 0. Hence the equation has no real roots. Clear? Similarly, you can do other problem. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Our question is find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0 and hence find the nature of the roots. Find them if they are real. Okay. From this, what is a? A equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now what is b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. Then we will get 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. When b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we saw that when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the equation has two equal roots. Okay, so this equation will have two equal roots. So hence we can find x. What is x? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is minus b plus or minus, this is 0. b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So we can write minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a are the two equal roots. From this, what is minus b? Minus minus of 2 by 2 into 3, or minus minus of 2 by 2 into 3, 6. That means x equal to 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 are the two equal roots. Is it clear? So whenever you are getting the question like finding the nature of the roots, just find out the b square minus 4ac and find out what is the nature, and if it is satisfying the conditions, then you can find out the roots. That is very easy. Okay.